dumbbell concentration curls. This is a great bicep finisher. What we're gonna do here is have Michelle go a little bit more open into her stance. She's gonna pick up one dumbbell for us. She's gonna place the outside of her elbow on the inside muscle of her knee. So that VMO, that vastus medialis oblique. From there, she's gonna keep a nice flat back, chest up. And I like to take this extra hand here. I like to put it inside, rest it on one leg, and then hold it inside there. I just find it gives me some stability and structure in my stance, and it actually can act as a spotter if we need it. So from here, she's gonna exhale, curling up, inhaling, curling back down. And I'm just gonna have her bring it inside through her body a little bit more. So exhale, come up, good. Really focusing. This is a great exercise for mind-muscle connection. So she's exhaling on the up. She's solely thinking about that bicep curl. And what I want her to do is at the top of that movement, I want to will her to squeeze a little bit harder into it, really shaping that bicep, asking a little bit more of it. So when you're doing this movement at the end of your workout, even if it's in the middle, I really want you to use it as a finisher exercise. I want you to burn out your bicep. So I want you to ask everything of that bicep. Another great way, we can switch sides here while I keep talking. Another great way to really burn out the biceps using this movement is to drop set it. So if Michelle was doing, let's say 15 reps here, I might have a 12, a 10, and an 8-pound weight in front of her and have her start with the 12. And when she absolutely can't lift the 12, drop down and start lifting the 10 pounds. And when she can't lift the 10 pounds, drop down and start using the 8 pounds and finish off with that 8-pound weight. All right, that, my friends, is a dumbbell concentration curl. Remember, concentrate.